Hi, I wanted to go over some of the cool new features introduced in Skywa Release 1.5. The most significant feature is adding reservation capability. Now businesses can use Skywa Manager to set up availability calendars, and then consumers can book new appointments through Skywa. Of course, this is an optional feature, so businesses can still use Skywa with their existing reservation system or use it as a virtual queue. In addition to reservations, we've added features for providing visibility to the business if a customer is going to be early or late to an appointment. We have integrated secure video and text chat, and we've added the capability for business or consumers to store documents with their appointments. Finally, we've added the ability for customers to provide the business direct feedback as soon as their visit is complete. So let's take a look at the new features in action. So the business we're going to look at is integrated health and wellness. On the left here we have the manager app, and on the right we have the consumer app. So I'm going to book an appointment. You can see here there's 3 appointment types: deep tissue massage, acupuncture, and chiropractor. I'm going to book a deep tissue massage and see that the first appointment that's available is at 7:30 tonight. So I'm going to book that. Book the slot, and you'll see since that appointment was today, it brings us to the current screen. The first feature I want to point out is notice this available early and running late feature. So that allows a person, if they think they're going to be running late, they can let you know, or if they think they're going to be available early, so you can move them ahead of time, they can let you know that as well. So I'm going to select running 30 minutes late. So if you go over here to operate the queue, you can see the little L here, which is indicating that they've not arrived and they're running late for their 7:30 appointment. We'll go ahead and just to move the process forward, we're going to click on arrived. Now we're going to go ahead and call them to entrance and update the view here as well. Notice there's a form that can be completed here. It's a check-in form. Notice again, their name has already been filled out. Nicole, birthday, gender is filled out. And then there's just one field that says, how are you feeling today? We can say, I'm feeling great. And so that form is updated. One of the other things you can do, this can be done either from the manager or from the current appointment, but you can actually chat with the individual with an integrated chat feature. So we can chat here and you can say, please bring your driver's license to the appointment, and click send. Now, because I'm running on the emulator, the push notifications don't show up, but normally it would show up that you have a message. But you can click here in contact and chat with business here, and you can see the message that was typed over there. And then you can respond, say, thanks, I got it, hit send. Or you can actually attach a video as well if you wanted to send a video message back and forth. So that's another one of the new features, is the integrated chat capability along with the early and late arrivals. So I'm going to keep moving her through the process. Again, I'm going to refresh the app here because we're running on an emulator. Now it says your appointment is complete, so I'm going to click OK. And now this is another one of the new features. You can provide a feedback form, which is completely customizable at the end of the appointment, that lets you rate your service, how likely would you be to recommend us, and any other recommendations. And of course, these fields are all customizable. You can put anything you want and you would submit that form. So over here, you can view the 2 forms that she's filled out. One of the other interesting features that we've added is that you can add a file. If they wanted to add a receipt or scan records or so forth, as well as that can be done in consumer as well. So this is the appointment view screen. Notice we have next Friday, we have this appointment over here. Here's the appointment that we just completed, the massage. And here, notice you can click here to add a file where you can import a PDF or gallery and add that file as well. So that's just some of the new features in the release 1.5. It's got reservations, it's got integrated chat, video chat, or text chat, ability to attach documents to your appointments, as well as the ability to indicate whether you're running early or late.